Welcome again, guys, to the channel Old Time Cooking TV. Alright, today we're gonna prepare sweet and sour fish along with some fish tea. So if you can look on this side, you'll see the fish head that we're gonna use for the fish tea, pumpkin, carrot, Irish, yeah. And I forget to put the chicken noodle there, the cock soup for the fish tea. And then for the main course now, we're gonna have sweet and sour fish. So here we have the fish fillet, the sweet peppers, the pineapple, ginger, you know, the carrot, everything that is gonna go with the sweet and sour fish. And you know, little sugar to spice things up, little vinegar to put the kick in it, all your little soy sauce and the little seasonings. And this is what we're gonna use to eat it with white rice. You know, I have to have my plantain, so the flour is to, you know, create the batter for the sweet and sour fish. So welcome again, guys. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. Thanks to my returning viewers. Press like, share this video with someone, and you'll see the preparation. Thank you. Alright, here we are again, guys. So as I told you before, we are doing some fish tea, and to go in the fish tea we have the pumpkin, Irish, carrot, and the seasoning, the thyme, the pepper, 2 pegs of garlic, pimento seed, which is key. And this is for the fish tea. The fish tea is on the fire already. I mean, the fish head is on the fire with some of the pumpkin to boil out and to get the color. We soon put these in. All right, so for the fish, we're gonna season up the fish now. And so to do that, we have a little black pepper, not a lot, little Maggi fish seasoning, just a little Maggi all-purpose as well. All right, so and then now a little Maggi all-purpose and just a little toops of salt, not a lot of salt because we don't want it to be too salty. And then now you find that the soy sauce is going to have salt in it. So stir this around, and as you can see, we have the ingredients for the sweet and sour fish. So after we put this in the butter, we're going to make the butter with the flour, the cornstarch, and the baking powder. We're going to season up that flour, we're going to make the butter, then we're going to fry these in the butter, and then when we are cooking it down, you will see us again. Alright, guys, so we have the fish tea, the fish head and the pumpkin boiling already. We're going to add the other sets of pumpkin to it. Alright, medium flame, then the Irish and the carrot. We're gonna leave the seasonings for last when we're putting in the cock soup and the seasonings to bring it home. So we're gonna get this back to a boil and you'll see us then. Here again, guys, we're frying the fish. So as you can see, we're taking them out of the butter. Oil is already hot, low heat, because you don't want them to burn. So we are dropping in the fish fillet now. Alright, you really don't want them to burn, so low to medium heat, and each set will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Each set will take about 3 to 4 minutes. So you just want to leave them until they are golden. Don't want them to burn, but you want them to have that nice color. Alright. Over on the other stove there we have the fish tea. Soon give you a glimpse of that. So right here we have the fish tea bubbling, and I think it's about time we put in the seasonings for that. So here we have the scallion. We're gonna season the fish tea pot now. Pimento seed, garlic, and our thyme, key ingredients. Alright, within a few, we're also gonna put in the Maggi with pumpkin. So we sprinkle that around to give it some more color. I thought the pumpkin that I have in it would have given me a richer color, but didn't meet the expectation at all. And this is Maggi with pumpkin, so I was expecting to get that rich yellow, but seems as if the pumpkin didn't turn up as I expected. So rich fish tea, lots of colors. We have the see the fish head mashing out, getting off the flesh. Lots of colors. We have the pumpkin mashing now, Irish, carrot, green pepper, you know, the pimento seed. So this is not a soup, this is like a broth. So you have a small cup or bowl of this before your main course. So this is just a broth, looking very beautiful, and I know it is very tasty as well. We have the fish frying over here, and we also have the white rice in the pot right here. So catch you again when the fish is finished frying. Yes guys, it's about that time when we can turn off the fish tea pot now, because it is finished. So we're gonna turn that off. Alright, the fish is getting some color now, so you're gonna allow them to get a little golden brown, and then we are gonna make the sauce for the sweet and sour fish. Alright, over here we also have the rice steaming down, well shelly and nice. Alright, so fish tea, the broth to go with the meal, have the rice, and right here we are browning the fish fillet in the butter, so you're getting a nice brown color. You don't want them to be too dry. Alright, if this is your first time here, we ask that you consider to subscribe to this channel and share this video with someone. Okay, see you when we're making the sauce for the sweet and sour. Alright, this is a close-up shot of the finished fried fish fillet in butter. Now we're going to go ahead to prepare the sauce. We're back again, ready to make our sauce for our sweet and sour fish. First we're gonna put in the onions, because I want to get out those flavors. Alright, put in the onion, then we want to get in our garlic, because trust me, you want to get out those rich flavors. The ginger, give that a little stir, coming on nicely, you can smell that already. Alright, then you want to, your onions are together, you want to kind of loose them up a bit. That is smelling so good. Alright, put in your sweet pepper, you know. Alright, in the meantime, let me put in my sugar. Not a lot, about a teaspoon, so that it can melt in the meantime. Sweet and sour, so that is the sweet. Guess what now? Carrot is a little sweet. We're putting in the carrot. Then we're gonna add our pineapple. Alright, and just give it a little stir like that. Alright, we're moving on to our liquids now. Beautiful colors. See the color of the carrot, the color of the pineapple, the color of the bell peppers or sweet peppers, what we call it here in Jamaica. Low heat. Alright, we're gonna go in now with our soy sauce. Alright, to give it that, you know, a little brown darkish color. Alright, then our ketchup. So we're talking about sweet, we're talking about sour. So a little ketchup there. Still not finished with that as yet. This looks just as though when you go to the Chinese restaurant. Okay, get that rich, sweet and sour chicken or fish. Here we're gonna put in now our vinegar. This is gonna give it a little tangy taste. Alright, not a lot. Low flames. Look at that color, people. Make sure you share this video with your family and your friends. Alright, smells very great. Alright, putting it now to medium heat. Alright, looking well so far. Here we have the fried fish. Looking so beautiful, golden brown. Here's a close-up. Golden brown. Alright, so to this now, we're having our ginger, remember, our sweet pepper, our onion, our pineapple and carrot, looking so beautiful. So we wanted to give this a little time to, you know, cook about a minute or so the vegetables can cook. You don't want to cook them out, especially your sweet peppers. You don't want to cook them out. Alright, here we go. We're gonna put in now our fish. Whoa, 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 piece gone again. Old time people them say, after the ancestors. So here we are going to, we're mixing in the liquid. We're mixing in the liquid, alright. Look at those colors, very beautiful. So we're mixing in the liquid into the fish. Mixing in the liquid into the fish. Alright. Wow, you can smell that. You can smell that. Smells so great. Looks so great. Look at that. Sweet and sour fish at its best. Colors looking well. Colors looking so beautiful. Alright, look at that. My God. You can just imagine. Alright, go on low flames now, people. And we are going to cover this and allow it to simmer for a little while. Look how beautiful that is, and I'm sure it's gonna taste great, you know, with the white rice along with the fried plantain, looking so colorful, looking so beautiful. Alright, see you on the other side when we dish it out. Gonna cover him for a while and allow him to simmer for a minute. Here we go, guys. Here is the finished product, looking so beautiful. Look at those colors. Look at the rice. We can see the green in the sweet pepper, the yellow, the red. Look at the carrot. Look at the fried plantain. So beautiful. What else could you ask for? Sweet and sour fish. And very soon you're going to see beside it the fish tea. Sweet and sour fish at its best. Old Time Cooking TV. Give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and your friends. Wonderful lunch idea, wonderful dinner idea. Smells great, tastes great, looks great. Here's a shot of the fish tea, looking very beautiful. Look at that. So you have a bowl of fish tea before you move into your main meal. Look at that. If it's your first time to this channel, make sure you are subscribed for more of these lovely meal ideas. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for stopping by and checking out the channel again. wonderful lunch idea. Share it with your friends and family and loved ones all over the world. Sweet and sour fish and fish tea. Until then, take care.